We have a vintage Equity travel alarm clock. No radios, just alarm only. Battery backup. Made in Hong Kong. Model 1010. This is the info on it. Equity Industries Corporation, Virginia Beach, Virginia. 1010, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 5 watts. Made in Hong Kong. 9 volt backup. I got the alarm set for 3:12. It's currently 3:11 a.m., but it's set for p.m. for right now. It's a bit worn out, and a lot of times when I'm setting the alarm, it ends up screwing the time up. Need to take it apart and clean it, and it does have a habit of running fast after a while. I'm going to be quiet and see if we hear the alarm. That's the most annoying sound in the world, isn't it? So I really got to press hard to get it to turn off and stuff like that. I had it for years. It was given to me. I don't know much on it. I don't know what year it's made. Probably 90s. I'm thinking maybe. Let me go put a 9 volt battery in it and let's test the backup. It's in. Let me unplug it and see if it keeps the time. So right now the display is dead. Wait a few seconds in case any caps are energized, they discharge. And we'll see if the battery's any good and if it keeps the time. Nope. He doesn't like the battery. It's rechargeable. It's been sitting, so who knows? Maybe it doesn't like the battery, and I'm not going to go looking for another one at the moment. But you get the idea. Again, it was the Equity LED alarm clock, model 1010. Thanks for watching.